everyone, it's Jen. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for KSCraft. These are projects made with January they're January and February release dies. They're all together because of the Chinese New Year. So if you want, I'll link everything down below on the AliExpress site. Just be aware that I think they're not shipping until next week because they're off for Chinese New Year. Of course, you can look on Amazon, see if they're there, or just wait until they're back from the holiday break. But yeah, so I've got some really cute like Eastery projects for you, and let's get started. Okay, so the first set I used is the Cute Bunny dies and stamps. And these are the stamps that it comes with, and they are indeed cute. And so mine are a little bit off because I did use them. But it comes with boys and girls in the same position. So there's like a boy and a girl in the sitting position, a couple standing, some just the faces with a bow and a bow tie, and then just plain bunnies. And then it comes with a little extra bow and a bow tie and sentiments that say Easter wishes, bunny kisses, no bunny loves you like I do, show me the bunny, happy egg hunting, did some bunny say Easter, too hip to hop, and happy Easter. And they come with the dies, and everything comes with the corresponding die. So you can cut them out and then add them to your card or tag or project or whatever you're doing if you want to. You don't have to, of course. I did do that because I just love how that looks on a card. And yeah, so I did make a card. Let me show you, and I'll show you some other dies I used too with this set. So this is the card that I made, and I really think it came out super cute. I used one of the standing bunnies and then one of the sitting bunnies. So I stamped them with my, did I bring it over here? No, but it's a Memento Tuxedo Black ink onto my 80-pound paper or 65-pound paper. And then I colored them in with my alcohol markers, and then after I did that, I cut them out with the dies, and you just use like your mint tape from scrapbook.com or whatever low tack tape you have, and just tape that over the image so it doesn't shift when you run it through your die cutting machine. And then it comes out just like, you know, perfectly cut with the white outline, which I think looks super cute on a card. And I added a little bit of, I added some like blush on the cheeks, and let's see, I added some white gel pen for highlights for the eyes, and I added some Lawn Fawn clear glaze in some of the spots too. And these clouds came from a die set in my stash that's super old from Ali. I don't even know where it came from, but I do love those clouds. The sun came from a new die set from KSCraft, which is this one, the Rainbow Bag Topper. It comes with the sun die, so I used that for there, and it just fits in perfectly. I made this little scene with some doodlebug paper and some other dies that I already had. The little Easter basket I love, and that comes from a new set from KSCraft also, which is the Easter cabinet add-on, and I'll link all these dies that I used as well. So I used that, and then it has the basket and the eggs as well. So I just cut the eggs out of some different paper and glued them behind the basket, some on the grass a little bit. And this little bunny face here, that comes from this die, which is also new, the bunny rosette. And so the edges of this rosette cut out little bunnies. So I just used one of them to just be a little embellishment on that basket. And I love how that looks. I just need something really tiny, and I thought that would be perfect. And then for the girl, I did add a little bow in her hair. That also comes with the stamp and die set. And then I heat embossed, did some bunny say Easter. I used some, I think it was gold or platinum, I forget which one, probably platinum embossing powder from Ranger, and cut that out with the die that corresponded, and it just gives it a really nice finished look when you can die cut your stamps. I did pop these up on very thin foam tape just to give them a teeny bit of dimension, and yeah, I think it looks super cute. So let me take some measurements for you. Oh, there it is. Let's see, I'll measure these bunnies. They're a really good size. This one, the standing one, is about 1 3/4 inches tall, and then side to side it's about 1 1/8. And then the sitting one is about 1 5/8 inches tall, and it's probably, yeah, about 1 1/8 from side to side as well. And then on the inside, I used another one of the bunnies. It's just like the seated bunny here, but this is the girl one. You can see with her eyelashes, and that's the boy one. And I did the same thing, stamped and heat embossed Happy Easter and die cut it, and yeah, added that on the inside of my card. So I think that'll be really fun to send out, and I just love how it looks. All right, so let's move on to the next die set. Okay, this one is called the Cute Bunny Shaker, and you can order this one in the larger size or the smaller size. You can order them both. They don't come together, you just have to order them separately. And I made examples of each so you'd be able to get an idea of which one you prefer. So it comes with well, this is the base piece. It doesn't cut out like the head and the ears and everything. It just leaves like an embossed line there. So if you wanted to do some paper piecing for that, you could. Here's a frame that allows you to create the shaker. So you cut this out of your foam board and your pattern paper or foam, you know, whatever you use to create your shaker. Use this for your acetate as well. And then it comes with this super cute little face, which has eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And then it comes with 2 different size hearts. You can use as buttons if you want. And then these are layering pieces for the ears, and I'll show you how that looks. So again, that's a large size, and this is a smaller size. So let me show you the smaller one first. And look how cute she is. I love this little face. I cut the face out of some black glossy paper just so you'd be able to see it really well with the shaker. So for the paper for the frame, got some glue there, I just used some light pink circle embossed paper from Joann's. And then for the floral paper there, I used this paper pad that I got recently from Crafter's Companion, Love is in the Air. I just like the small florals, and I think it works really well with the smaller embellishment like this. And then I used some glossy paper from scrapbook.com for the little heart buttons, and I filled it up with some shaker bits that I just thought went with the papers that I used. There's some clay hearts, some diamond dots, and some regular sequins as well. And then I added a little tiny bow that I had from Little Birdie on her ear. So let me measure this one for you. Even though she's a smaller one, she's still a good size. She is about a little over 3 1/4 inches top to bottom, and side to side she's about 2 inches. So adorable little bunny, and her friend is a little bit bigger, and that's what she looks like. And also super cute, same kind of face, just a little bit different size. So this one I used yellow paper, and for the background I used pink and white gingham paper, and that comes from that new Joann's Easter paper pad. And you could see where how those layering pieces for the ears look. It just kind of like adds a little bit of background to it, or a little bit of depth to the ears, so you could make out the shape a little bit better. And I used pink glossy paper for the heart buttons. And I love the shaker bits here. Those little chicks are from a Doodlebug mix, and the little white bunny heads are from the same Doodlebug mix. And then I used some white and pink sequins and some yellow and pink diamond dots just to go back to the colors of the papers. And this is a little bow from Hobby Lobby that I glued on. So this one, the larger one, is about 4 inches top to bottom, side to side. It's about 2 3/8. So both really good sizes, you know, they look cute together, maybe like an older sister and a little sister, or mom and baby, that kind of thing. So very, very cute, I thought. So that's my first 2, and I have one more set of projects to share with you today, and this is the set that I used. Let me get my paper out so you can see the stamps. This one is called the Easter Shaped Tags Stamps and Dies, and it comes with the stamps and the dies. And these are all the stamps you get. You get Faith, Happy Easter, Honey Bunny, Hello Spring, For You, Snuggle Bunny, Hello Peeps, Blessed, Got Chocolate, He is Risen, Egg Hunt, and then 2 little eggs as well. And then this doesn't cut, the dies don't cut out those sentiments, it cuts out tags, and those sentiments fit into the tag. So it comes with the cute little bunny that looks kind of like a Peeps bunny. And then there's this chick with the cute little legs. There's this rectangle with this design on the top. There's another rectangle that has a dome top. Then there's this kind of like Victorian looking frame, and then an egg-shaped one. And they all have stitching detail, which is super nice. And I made one for each, so I will show you those. All right, so here is the first one, and this one I did stamping with some different little ink pads that I had in my stash that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And they're all different colors, so I figured I'd use them for the pastel colors for Easter. So this one is purple, obviously, and it says He is Risen, and I used a couple of stickers. These are from Pebbles that I've had in my stash for a while. They're just little puffy stickers. And then for the outside of the tags, I used the Scrapbook.com version of Wink of Stella, and I think it just adds a nice little glow to them, if you could see that. And then I punched a tiny hole for my crocodile onto the, well, sorry, I just had to get this out. See, these tags already have a hole punched in there. So I used my crocodile to add an eyelet, and these are the smaller eyelets, not the standard size. And I had gotten these like smaller ones from Craftelier, I think it was last year, in lots of different colors. So it was a perfect opportunity to use them. So I used a yellow one here and a coordinating piece of baker's twine. So let me just measure this and I'll show you the other ones. This is the domed rectangle. And this one is, it's about 1 7/8 approximately, top to bottom, and about 1 3/16 side to side, approximately. And the back looks like that, it's just plain. So that's that one. And then here's the little chick, which is so cute. And I had to add the Hello Peep sentiment on that one. A couple more stickers. And I added the Wink of Stella, and all these papers I used, those are the ones I print out from Etsy that I refer to all the time, and they just come in different color. You know, you can print out whatever color you want. So I used my pastel colors for Easter, and this one I used a little tiny teal eyelet, so I used teal baker's twine. So we have that one. Then we have the egg, which says Happy Easter. I used some pink ink, and then pink stickers, pink eyelet, and pink and white twine. They're just cute. They'll be good to add to like little Easter gifts, to little baskets, whatever you want. This one I love, the bunny shaped one, and I put Honey Bunny there, and this is a like a bow sticker, but I added a little like aqua clay bit to the center of it, used an aqua eyelet and the same color twine. So very cute, right? So those are 4. I've got 2 more to show you, all the different shapes. Here's this one, it says Hello Spring, and I used some more stickers and pink, pink, and pink. And I just love it. They look so pretty in pastel, don't you think? And they're all like a nice petite size. And here's the last one. And it says Got Chocolate, and a couple of cute little chick stickers, all puffy stickers. And since they were yellow, I went ahead and used the yellow eyelet and then the yellow baker's twine. So they're all generally the same size, you know, just, you know, they vary, of course, depending on the shape. But I think they look so cute together. And that would be a good gift just to, you know, give those in a, you know, some sort of embellishment project to your crafty pals so they can reuse them. All right, so that is all I have to share with you today. Let me know what you think. I'd love to know which is your favorite project of today. And again, I'll list them all in the AliExpress store. They might just, you know, take a little bit longer to ship out than usual, but you can look on Amazon if you want to see if you can find them there. They ship out quicker. All right, you guys, that is it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a great day. Take care. Bye.